Hello, welcome to your word work. Today we're going to be doing phonics work in our Spire workbook, pages 7 and 8. So open up to page 7. On page 7, you're going to have a group of pictures and a group of sentences. Our job is to align these sentences with the correct picture. So let's begin. The first sentence says, Pam, k-a-n, can, t-ag, tag, s-ow. Pam can tag Sal. Where are Pam and Sal? Looks like over here. So I'm going to draw a line to that photo, or that picture rather. Next one, t-ad, tad, as, has, a, ram. Tad has a ram. Well, here we go. Here's Tad and his ram. Every boy has a ram, right? Next sentence. Pam has a tag. Pam has a tag. Well, there's Pam and her bag of rags with the tag. Hello, Pam. Next sentence. Jan is glad. Jan is glad. Here's our happy Jan dancing the day away. Oh dear. Next sentence. Nan is mad. Nan is mad. My college residence advisor's name was Nan. I don't think she ever got mad at us. But this Nan is mad. Look at her face. I'm mad. My name is Nan. All right, last sentence. Jan has a hat and a bag. Here's our friend Jan. Look how cozy she looks. Love it. So we're drawing a line to her. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to do something a little bit different today. So I'm going to read a story that goes with our next page, and you just have to listen. Okay, you ready? The name of the story is The Cat. And I'm going to read this, and this will help us complete sentences on the back. The cat. Sam has a cat. The cat sat. Sam can pat the cat. The cat ran. Sam tags the cat. The cat is mad. The cat ran at Sam. Sam ran and ran. Bad cat. Oh dear. So now let's answer some questions that go along with our story. Okay, so the cat. That's the name of the story. Okay, I had to stop and start over there a little bit because I made some mistakes. So if you look at my paper, you can see I have some mistakes on here that I had to try and erase. So let's start this. The cat, based on what I just read to you. Sam has a cat, correct? That's what our story was about. This cat. So we need to write the word cat on the line. Cat. And I've already marked it off down here. The cat sat. S-A-T. The cat sat. Okay? What can Sam do to the cat? Well, it says Sam can blank the cat. What did he do to the cat? He can pat. P-A-T. He is going to pat the cat. Next, Sam does what to the cat? Does anyone remember what he does? He tags that cat. T-A-G-S. Tags. So I can get rid of that. Now, what happens when he tags the cat? Well, the cat is not happy. The cat is mad. He didn't want to be tagged. The cat is mad. Mad. The cat ran at. Who'd the cat ran at? Well, that cat's going to go after Sam because that's who tagged him. Sam. And then Sam had to do what? Sam ran and ran. R-A-N. He ran and ran. So make sure you mark out ran and Sam. We used all the words, okay? The cat. Sam has a cat. The cat sat. Sam can pat the cat. Sam tags the cat. The cat is mad. The cat ran at Sam. Sam ran and ran. Make sure you practice reading these sentences to your mom and dad. Good work.